Human impact on the Earth has been recorded since the dawn of man. Our effects from industrial, recreational, cultural activities such as mining, deforestation, infrastructure, and agriculture have all aided in the conclusion for the need for a new epoch, the Anthropocene. Most people declare the Industrial Revolution for the onset of the Anthropocene, due to an increase in industrial activity and urbanization that are associated with an increased input of CO2 and methane into the atmosphere. There are many geological indications, however, of human change. On today's Earth, humans deliberately shift around 57,000 million tons of sediment annually, which equates to nearly 3 times as much sediment transported by rivers to the ocean worldwide. There are essentially two forms of human activity, deliberate and unintentional. From mining of resources, to construction for settlement and industry, to waste generation, we have always had intentional change to the landscape. But some of our actions, such as contributions to hydrological and slope erosional processes, like soil erosion and transport, have not always been intentional. This table shows the amount of sediment being delivered to the coastal zone by rivers worldwide. As you can see, there is a 15% reduction in the amount of sediment transported from the pre-Anthropocene to the proposed Anthropocene epoch, from 15.1 to 12.8 gigatons per year. And we are not only moving sediment in unnatural ways, we are also exploiting natural resources as well, which lead to unnatural changes in landscapes. In Great Britain, it is estimated that coal mining alone has led to 1 to 3 meters of subsidence, which refers to a gradual sinking or caving in of land. And to further our own geological changes, we've even had to create a new class of ground for our maps. Artificial ground refers to our anthropogenic change to the Earth's landscape, and includes areas where material is known to have been placed by humans on the pre-existing natural land surface, and areas where the pre-existing land surface is known to have been excavated. This table points out the approximate percentage of mapped artificial ground in a certain domestic range in Great Britain. As you can see, in Manchester City alone, the percentage of artificial ground in the sampled area is almost at 18%. This is essentially a form of novel phenomena, or unprecedented features of a time period. This ranges from changes to the food chain to geological features like manufactured construction and anthropogenic deposits within the lithostratigraphic event layer. As scientists have concluded, humans have had an irreplaceable effect on the Earth. The question is no longer whether humans are agents of change, but rather when this change is first considered.